With 44,489 new cases, there are now over 92 lakh coronavirus infections in the country. As many as 524 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the toll to 1.35 lakh.
Life almost physics simulation, the same mundane routine. There's nothing new at all. I'm so done with everything. Krishna, it's been a while since we spoke with each other. I wonder how is he faring in these trying times. Let's call him and see. Hey Krishna, how's lockdown treating you, huh? How are mom and dad? Hope they're in good health. Give them my regards.
My mother and sister are doing well, but my father passed away a month back due to cardiac arrest.
Oh, I'm so sorry for your loss. Just remember, whenever you need anything, I'm here for you. I'll provide you with all the support as I can.
Thanks, but I'll manage. What about you? How are your parents doing? Give them my regards.
I left my parents in an old age home in good care. I think they're pretty happy there.
What? How do you think they'll be happy when they are not under the care of the son who they raised? How could you be so self centered? Ever since your birth, they raised you and took care of you. But now, when it is time for you to take care of them, you leave them in an old age home? You'll never know their value when they are next to you. Only when they are not next to us do we know their value. I'm ashamed to call you as my friend.
Krishna! It's true. How did I not realize this earlier? I really need to bring them back. Hello?
Good afternoon, sir. Am I speaking to Mr. Ramesh Goswami?
Speaking?
Sir, your parents have met with an accident while they were on their way to the hospital to get their monthly medical checkup.
What? Where have they been admitted in?
They are admitted in Juskin Hospital, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Could you please tell me which room of Goswami have been admitted in?
Sir, Mrs. Goswami is admitted in room number 108.
Thank you so much. Doctor, how are my parents?
Parents? Well, Mrs. Goswami, who was in this ward, is in a very critical condition as of now. But who are you?
I am my son. Where's my dad? Mr. Goswami?
So, are you Mr. Goswami's son?
Yes. How is he doing?
I'm really sorry, sir. Unfortunately, your father died on the spot during the accident. You can collect his body from the mortuary on the ground floor.
May I see my mother, please? Amma. Amma!
Only when they are not next to us do we know their value.